about JoJo?
Yeah,
So
JoJo's first, then Will.
Okay.
And then I said, wait a minute. You just told Tyler he was right after JoJo.
I just do it for their phones.
I just do it for their phones. Oh my gosh. Well, we're going on a road trip. Road trip.
We're gonna dig some fossils.
We're going to go dig fossils. And what did we say last time on the other road trip? What did we keep singing over and over? Do you remember? At the hotel.
Motel. Holiday Inn. At the motel.
So we just went to Vernal yesterday, home for the day, went to church. Now we're off to going south. We're going to go to Delta and Fillmore area. But Robbie's, he's so funny. He's I forgot what I was going to say. Well, no, about the hotel. I can't remember. That doesn't even sound like you.
Hotel, Holiday Inn. I'm at the motel.
It's the Alvin and the Chipmunks version.
I remembered. So we went swimming at the last hotel, like before dinner and then after dinner. We went several times. So right now he says to Will, "Hey Mom," or he says to me, "Hey Mom, if you're too busy at this next hotel, Will is going to take me swimming." I'm like, "I'm not too busy. I can take you swimming." If I am, I'll have Will take you. That's a deal. Pinky promise. Nice. Where did they come up with this stuff? Oh, baby. 4 miles like this.
Take me
Home to the place I belong. West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home. Country road.
Sing it again, Rob.
So the road was a little bumpy and now it's crazy bumpy. So higher vehicles, well, we've heard minivans can make this. Just go slowly, just be smart. There's lots of motorcycles and, oh goodness.
Four-wheel drive.
Oh, all right. We parked because we weren't sure if our van was gonna fit. They say to drive through the tunnel. It's like 250 feet long, and then you can turn around and come back. But we just wanted to check it out first. Whoa! I think our van would fit, honey. Wow! Alrighty. We parked it and walked through to make sure we could fit. And now we're coming back.
Looks like all these rocks. That looks like a creepy happy face.
Whoa, pretty cool. Yeah, it's definitely wide enough for...
We're so close to it. We're so close to the wall. We're actually driving through the railroad tunnel. Thank you. Coming through.
Thank you, everybody.
Car coming through.
Careful, you're right on the side here.
Car coming through.
Oh, you just got out and look at how cool those views are.
It's called Bees Hangout.
Wow, look how cool this old town is.
Tintic.
Tintic. Next stop, Paul Bunyan's Woodpile. Say what? What?
Say what?
Oh my God. This is... Okay, getting through this.
I'm not fat.
Okay, Paul Bunyan's which way though? Here, babe. Okay, it's a 1.6 mile. Easy. Here's everybody else.
Mom, this is our plan.
I didn't know it was a hike. I thought it was something just to see a landmark. So I told the kids when we're done, I'll go take them to 7-Eleven or whatever. to get a treat, anything they wanted. All right, there the stacks of wood, which are really stacks of molten lava that happened like 30 million years ago, but they call it Paul Bunyan's woodpile because they're so big and he was a giant. But look how many there are even on that side, and how they're like lined up in like little, and how they're like lined up as rows of wood. That's pretty crazy. All right, we made it to the top. You can see it so much better. Isn't that crazy? The last part is really steep with lots of switchbacks, but worth it. Nathan made it. That is so cool. Nathan, that's rad. Preston, keep going, buddy. Okay, this is pretty cool. Pretty cool view. I mean, it looked like there was a fire here a few years ago, so it's kind of ugly, but it's still a pretty view. Let me push this. There we go. That's a better view. One more time. Yes, he made it. That is awesome. Wait, do that wheel again. That is so cool. Something different, something unique. We've never been here. I just barely even heard about it like a month ago. So check it off the list, baby.
Yeah, Nate, don't do that because Mom's still down there. All right. All right, we're coming down. Here's like the size. Like I'm probably about like halfway up on that. But yeah, we're coming down on our way down. You can either come up on this side. There's a trail over there. It is a little slick because it's just kind of sand and dust. So we were going down on these rocks, which are for the most part stable. So you got to be a little careful though. But it's just crazy looking at these from the side. It really does look like stacked logs and stacked timber. It's crazy. Here's another look at it. So we're on our way down, and this is a much larger stack, and it's weird because it kind of caves in towards us. And look, there's like a hole, like some fell out, but it's still standing. Wow. Just beautiful.
Okay, we're on the west side of Delta. We see it in the, what's on the, can you move that?
Paper.
There you go. We're coming up to it. Here's a very, very important question. We're eating hot tamales. What color are hot tamales? The center
On the inside.
of a hot tamale. Red, right?
Doing the ends, you can look for it. Where are all those?
It's clear. Well, did you know that?
Quarter-mile, turn right.
Whoa! No, 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 Preston! Nope. It's like a horror movie.
Like that. They like perfect.
Do you hear that? Oh my gosh.
He wolf when he surfs on vans. He's
Go faster, Dad.
No, we're not going faster than that. All right, so we are at Days Inn, just a little hotel in Delta because we just wanted to be close here. Just a standard room. Get your blinders on. It's not mustard. It's like a darker version of a fluorescent green. I mean, you can tell more here what the light is. I mean, what? Everything else is normal.